Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, August 27th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 20 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 10:53.25, and the market basically started trading immediately to the downside, came down underneath the moving average. Really a pretty good fast move as it went down and filled the half gap, ultimately filled or came down to the 4 o'clock gap. Didn't quite fill it, made a bounce back up towards that half gap area, which was also the daily pivot. Gave us a signal to get short. That did produce a nice move to the downside. Targets 1 and targets 2 were easily met, 16 ticks, as they went ahead and filled the 4 o'clock gap, the 4:15 gap, and even went down beneath the previous day's lows and the Globex low as well. Came down to this old area of support, kind of moved around, traded sideways a little bit, came back up through that moving average, gave us a micro trade signal long, only 6 ticks. Targets 1 and targets 2 are hit as it moved its way back up to the previous day's close. Kind of pushed a little sideways there, continued at its up move, went back above the pivot, and the market really started gaining some momentum. We came into our 10:45 confirmation time. The market pulled back. We actually got a signal to get short. Now, there are some folks that got filled as it pulled back here to the pivot and was able to get to a reduced risk trade, but more than likely that was not the case. More than likely you got filled after that reduced risk situation, so I'm going to count that as a T0 minus 14. The market continued to move higher, and that was a full stop out on that trade. We ended up trading higher all the way into the lunchtime dead zone. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area you see on this chart here, that's an area that we call a dead zone, lunchtime, no trade zone. No trades are initiated during that time, but coming out of lunch we do start the process up again, and there was a signal that was firing. That did produce targets 1, but no follow through to the upside. Ended up being a T1 minus 2 on that as we went back up towards the previous day's high. Found some resistance, pulled back to our moving average, gave us a nice entry signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 14 ticks, and then the market just pulled back a little bit going into the close. So overall it was a pretty great day. 5 trades, 20 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.